Welcome back to our channel. If you're enjoying this video and find the information valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're going to explore the incredible transformations that occur when you make the life-changing decision to quit smoking. If you or someone you know is considering quitting, this video is for you. The immediate effects. As soon as you stub out that last cigarette, your body begins to experience positive changes. Let's delve into the immediate effects of quitting smoking. Number 1. Improved circulation. Within 20 minutes of quitting, your blood pressure and heart rate start to normalize. This allows for better circulation throughout your body, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients more efficiently. Number 2. Enhanced senses. As your body eliminates the toxic chemicals from cigarettes, your senses of taste and smell gradually improve. The first few days of quitting smoking can be challenging, but the benefits are already starting to emerge. Here's what happens during this crucial period. Number 1. Nicotine withdrawal. As your body adjusts to the absence of nicotine, you may experience withdrawal symptoms such as irritability, cravings, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms are temporary and will subside over time. Number 2. Lung function improvement. Within 72 hours of quitting, your lung function begins to improve. Your bronchial tubes relax, making it easier to breathe, and your lung capacity gradually increases. The first few weeks. Congratulations! You've made it through the initial phase. Let's explore the changes that occur in the first few weeks of quitting smoking. Number 1. Increased energy. Without the constant exposure to toxins, your body starts to repair and rejuvenate. You'll notice a significant increase in energy levels, allowing you to engage in activities with greater vitality. Number 2. Respiratory health. Coughing and shortness of breath gradually decrease as your respiratory system starts to heal. The cilia in your lungs, which are responsible for cleaning out mucus and dirt, regain their function. The first few months. As time goes on, the positive effects of quitting smoking become even more apparent. Here's what you can expect during the first few months. Number 1. Reduced health risks. Your risk of developing smoking-related diseases continues to decline. The longer you stay smoke-free, the closer you get to the health status of a non-smoker. Number 2. Clearer complexion. Your skin begins to repair itself, resulting in a clearer complexion and a more youthful appearance. The improvements in blood flow and collagen production contribute to healthier skin. Long-term benefits. It's important to remember that the benefits of quitting smoking extend far beyond the immediate and short-term changes. Here are some long-term benefits that await you. Number 1. Lowered risk of diseases. Quitting smoking significantly reduces your risk of heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and other types of cancer. Over time, your body repairs the damage caused by smoking, improving your overall health and well-being. Number 2. Increased life expectancy. Studies have shown that quitting smoking at any age can increase your life expectancy. The sooner you quit, the greater the benefits, but even quitting later in life can have a positive impact on longevity. Quitting smoking is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. The positive changes you'll experience when you quit are truly remarkable. If you're considering quitting, know that you have the power to transform your life and improve your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit if you've quit smoking or are